Here I have Huawei Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to select preferred language from these interactive bubbles. I'll just stay with English, then tap Get Started. Then you should select region from this just normal list, not from these super bubbles. Could be Austria for me. Tap Next. Then you have to carefully read and agree to the above terms. Tap Next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you then you have to connect to the Wi-Fi, no other option. So yeah, you find some network, you find password to it and then connect. Tap Next. Then tap Next. Then you can set up device protection like fingerprint ID, face recognition or password feature, but you can just skip this and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can set up Huawei ID. You can log in, you can register, or you can just skip it and just don't use it. Tap maybe later, then leave. Then tap later, then tap next. No thanks, later, enable and continue. Then you can import your data from your previous device, like you can restore it from another device, from Huawei Cloud Backup, or just set up devices new, as I'm going to do. Then you can try out this gesture navigation, like you can go through this tutorial, or if you know how to use gestures, just close it here. And you can just finish or just change navigation method here. And before finishing, I suggest you tap select all, then deselect all, then next, so you don't install all these useless apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.